All right, Brad, here's your FE engine, 482 cubic inches. Give you a description of this combination. It's all Shelby, Shelby Intake, Shelby cylinder heads, Shelby Block, Shelby front cover, custom grind solid roller. We kind of changed that per your request. Quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. I think you wanted a black cap, we got that coming. Front sump Moroso oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Okie doke, 3400, 584 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 596, peaks horsepower 560, so everything good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. We're going to see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In a crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading this. Have a great day.